Alright, here's another thing. This is going to be pretty cool. You'll find all kinds of uses for it. Okay, so you have your header graphic there. What would happen if you wanted to change the header according to the size of your media screen? For example, what happens if this garlic was the logo? Your menu isn't over the garlic. I mean the logo. But when you get down like this, it's now over the logo. Now you can move this because this is all absolutely position div, or you can change the background image and move it over. We're not going to move it over, but I'm just going to show you how this works. Okay, if you go to your image, you'll notice there's this orange part down here. Now I'm going to have to fix this, so pay close attention. Let's suppose that we have our image number 9. And it's 1280 by 600. Look what this does, this orange. It says if the minimum width is 650, that is, if it's above 650, give us the picture that we have. It's the tomatoes. But if it gets below 650, 649 or below, we'll do another image. Okay, let me watch. Let me just watch. Just watch this. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to my header graphic here. Remember, it's in the header. I'm just going to replace this. Okay, now I'm going to have to change this. I don't know why I did it this way, but look, the HTTP starts with an A and a B. I guess I don't know why. By the time you get here, that's probably going to be gone. Okay, so look, I have my Unsplash 9, but I know that there is a Z Unsplash 9. And I also know that it's 1280 by 200. So look, when we look at it now, it's going to replace that big graphic with a smaller graphic. Okay, there it is. There it is. Now watch. It gets just that little slice of it because that's its own separate graphic. And you see, if we were to view this image, this is that image right here. But if we go back and we shrink it down, I don't know what happened to my tomatoes. Look, this image, however, is 200 pixels. So I actually have two images. Let me show you. So for every graphic, like let's say, what's our tomato? I got to get our tomato. Okay, our tomato is 8. Well, look down here in the Z's near the bottom, I have a Z8, and it's only 200 pixels. So if I go back over to my beautiful Dreamweaver and I change it to 8, that's our tomatoes, and our Z Splash 8 is our small tomatoes. So look, I'm gonna hit this. Here's our tomatoes. And everything is great, it's responsive until it gets to 480 and it turns into another graphic. So if I did 9, I think that's a little girl, you can have a whole nother graphic when it gets that small. Let's do 10, let's see what 10 is. Tomatoes, guy playing basketball. See, so using that image right here, you put in your image, you put in the size, you copy this, and you gotta mess with it for a little bit. But this is the graphic above 650, and this is the graphic below 650. So you can change the graphic according to the media screen. So that's pretty cool. You could do that on all the graphics.